When Jamaica gained independence in 1962, we needed a new flag. Over 360 designs were sent in, and the final version came from a mix of ideas. The result: black, green, and gold, three colors that tell the story of Jamaica. Part 2. Black stands for the strength and the creativity of our people. Gold for the shining sunlight that blesses our island. Green for the lush land and hope for the future. Together it says, the sun shineth, the land is green, and the people are strong and creative. Part 3. The hidden twist. But here's the part most people don't know. The first flag design had horizontal stripes, but it looked too much like Tanganyika's flag, so they flipped it into the famous X shape. That X now stands for unity and resilience, the strength of our people. So next time you wave the flag, remember, it's not just colors, it's a symbol of our history and pride. Follow Alpha and Facts for more hidden Jamaican stories, and if you love learning about Jamaica's roots, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Alpha Facts. The link's in my bio. Trust me, the next one will blow your mind.